Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well at your home. Today, we are going to read the chapter The Sound of Music of 9th class, and it is an interesting story of a girl, a disabled girl named Evelyn Glennie. The main characters of the story are Evelyn Glennie, the deaf girl, Isabel Glennie, her mother, Ron Forbes, her teacher, a percussionist, a teacher who plays musical instruments is called percussionist, and James Blades, the head teacher, head percussionist, and Anne Richlin, she was head of a charitable trust for the deaf children. So, dear children, it is an interesting story of a girl named Evelyn Glennie, and she was deaf, totally deaf. She could not hear, and she had a firm faith, determination. She wanted to become a musician. She had a great interest in music, and in the beginning of the story, I want to tell you that the moral of the story is that God helps those who helps themselves. And same thing happened with a girl named Evelyn. When she was 5 years old and she began to go to school, she could not continue her study due to her deafness. But she had a great determination, she had a great interest in music. And the school teacher named Ron Forbes recognized her talent. Naturally, she was a deaf girl, so she went to the school which is opened for particularly deaf children, and Ron Forbes was a teacher in that school, and he recognized the talent of the girl, and one day he produced two kinds of sounds in his musical instrument, and he told Evelyn not to hear that sound with her ears. He only told her to feel that sound of the trumpet by the other parts of her body. And as a result of that, Evelyn followed the teacher's instruction, and ultimately she was able to gain the sounds of the musical instruments by her skin, cheeks, eyes, and even with her hair. Next day, Evelyn's journey as a musician. When she had made a little progress, when After that, she began to go here and there with the orchestra parties to different to different places to perform the different programs in different areas, and gradually she became a famous musician with her party. Next, Evelyn's performance as a musician. Here, the point is that she was invited by a famous institution of America to perform her musical program. And after this incident, she became famous internationally. Next, her sense of music. As we have read in the story that she was totally deaf, she was unable to hear with her ears, but the moral of the story is that a deaf child can also have the power of hearing. He can also sense the music. He can also gain the sounds of different musical instruments through the other parts of his or her body. It is a strength provided by God. All the body parts have the power to gain the sounds of different musical instruments. So, as instructed by her teacher, Mr. Ron Forbes, that Evelyn must not try to hear with her ears. She must try to feel the sound of different musical instruments with the other parts of her body, like skin, hair, cheeks, or even fingertips. And Evelyn, according to instruction, Evelyn Glennie tried her best to gain the sound of different musical instruments, and ultimately she succeeded in her performance. So, it is an interesting story of a girl who was totally deaf, but ultimately she became a great musician. Now we shall answer these questions, and after answering these questions, you will be able to follow more about the story. How old was Evelyn when she went to Royal Academy of Music? So when she was 17, she was admitted into Royal Academy of Music, or she was 17 when she went to Royal Academy of Music. Next question, when was her deafness first noticed? Her deafness was first noticed by her mother when she was only 8 years old. And when was it confirmed? It was confirmed when she was 11 by her music teacher. Next, who helped her to be continue with music? So Mr. Ron Forbes the percussionist, the music teacher of her school, helped her to continue with music. And what did he do and say? He told her not to hear the sound of music with her ears. Instead, he told her to feel the sound of music with other parts of her body. Next, name the various places and cause for which Evelyn performs. So the answer of the question is that Evelyn performed for orphanages, hospitals, and other institutions for charity. And at all, she performed for deaf children. Or we can say she performed to provide aid for deaf children. Means economic help. How does Evelyn hear music? As I have already told you during the story that according to instructions of her music teacher, she did not listen any sound with her ears. She tried to gain the sound of music and different musical instruments with other parts of the body, and ultimately she succeeded in her mission. She became a great musician, and her deafness didn't prove any hindrance, any obstacle in her progress. So, dear children, the moral of the story that blindness, deafness, or any other disability, these defenses are not obstacles in the path of progress. Any deaf or blind children can make any kind of progress like Evelyn. So we must, Evelyn Gileni, the girl named Evelyn Gileni is a great inspiration for all of us. And in the end, I would like to say that such time, जो स्कूल नहीं लग रहा है, such critical time must not be any kind of hindrance, any kind of obstacle in the path of study, like good children as all of you are. I hope you are studying well at your home and you are doing best use of your time. Thank you very much.